Hello everyone. Next we are going to draw a sunflower starting by making simple circle shape and making two lines. Between it we're gonna make the petals of this sunflower and then we're gonna draw the design in between. After it's done we're gonna draw the stem and the leaves at both of the sides and then we're gonna color it by using yellow color and the leaves by using green color. Next we are going to draw a dog. First we're going to draw the face of it by using our hands. Then we are going to make the eyes and the sharp teeth as well as the tongue. After they are ready, we are going to color it by using different colored sketch pens. Here we are using red color for the tongue and then peach color for the ears. After that we are using brown and yellow color for coloring its face. Next we're gonna make 4 types of trees, starting by making the trunks of the trees, then we're gonna make the leafy part. Here we have used 2 kind of green and then for the third tree we have used different variety of sketch pens. You can use any combination of colors for that as you want. And the last one we're gonna make is the cherry blossom tree. Next we're gonna make a beautiful scenery starting by making the house and then we're gonna highlight it with the details like the door, window and the chimney as well. Then we're gonna draw a tree and a wooden fencing beside the house. After it is ready, we are going to draw a pathway and the sun and your scenery is ready.